Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking, and today I'm going to make a simple potato and minced beef biryani. This aloo keema ki biryani, because I have those ingredients on hand and it's weekend, and the boy wanted to eat something different. The guys always on the weekend look for something different, so I said let me make some simple biryani. If you don't want to go in too much length, this is good. So what I have is pound or a little more than a pound of minced beef, and 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon or more of chili and chili powder, and 1 green chili, habanero pepper, you can pick whatever you like, and 1 whole garlic. I'm going to trim the tops of it and then just put it right there in the mince. Add a little bit of water and we will cook it for a while. 10 to 15 minutes will be good in the pressure cooker. I'm just adding half a cup of water because I don't want too much runny liquids. That's it. All right, I'm starting with the basic, and then I will add a few more spices later on. Whichever kind of pressure cooker you have, electric or the regular one like me, you can put it to use. Eight to 10 minutes is okay for me. You can add a little more time if you want to cook your mince a little bit more, but I give it a little less. I'm going to open it in a while and I'm going to make the liquids dry and add some more spices. And the regular mince I'm using has enough fats in it, so I don't need to add any more fat to cook it further. देखते हैं आज ये कीमा बिरयानी, आलू कीमे की बिरयानी कैसी बनती है. And मैं चावल उबाल रही हूँ. I'm boiling some rice, and when they still have a little bite to them, I will take them off and drain the water out. This is loose water. I'm boiling them in loose water, and when they are tender, I will take the water out, and then the rest, like pasta, when I layer the mince and the rice, it will cook in the steams. Okay, so I'm breaking down the keema, the mince. Here I think the rice is ready. Okay, the mince is still cooking, and I'm going to add a few more spices now. I have cumin, 1 teaspoon. I have a biryani masala, 1 tablespoon, and I have I'm not using garam masala, and I have cinnamon. I have this garlic. There you go. Okay, I drained the excess water out of the rice. See, when you press it down, it will still keep its shape because it's not fully cooked. It still has a little bite to it. Okay, 3 large potatoes, wash, peeled, cut, and I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of what do you call this, zarde ka rang, orange food powder, orange food color, orange food color, and then just add it to the mince and close the pressure cooker. And I'm going to leave it there on low heat, medium to low, more on the lower side, and no water added because I'm already drying the excess water from the mince. And I'm just going to let it stay there again 8 to 10 minutes, and the potatoes will be ready they will be cooked in the steam. A couple of tablespoons of olive oil to brown extra onions. always depending on you, how much oil you can tolerate, or you are allowed, or according to your taste. And I'm going to fry that onion till it's brownish, it's golden brown. And I will add some cumin, another teaspoon of cumin. I'm going to add like 2 tablespoons full of fresh but sliced ginger, like matchsticks, but you can chop it too, and few of bay leaves if you want. See, I cut the ginger like matchsticks, but it's about 2 tablespoons. And the teaspoon of cumin I told you about, just making the tadka. Okay, this is what is going to be in the bottom when I layer my biryani rice. Okay, let's check on the potatoes. Looks good. All right, they're done. Okay, see, I didn't add any water, but I kept it on low heat. And now it's time to layer. First layer is rice right on top of the frying onion, and I turned the heat very, very, very low, so nothing is going to burn. First layer is rice. Second layer is going to be mince and potatoes. They look good, don't they? All right, so just a simple, easy way. No more than half an hour cooking. Let's say 30 minutes prep time, 30 minutes cook time. And multitasking, while I was making the mince, I was also boiling the rice. So okay, this is my second layer of rice, and going to put another layer of mince and potatoes. आलू कीमे की एक और लेयर लगाऊंगी इसके ऊपर मैं, और चावल को नीचे की तरफ को दबा दें. Press down the rice so we can make firm layers, tight layers बन जाएंगी. क्योंकि मैं बड़े फ्राइंग पैन में इसको दम दे रही हूँ. I picked the big pan for it because I have the onions in the bottom, so I'm using the same pan. Okay, you can call this aloo keema with a twist of biryani. And at this point you can use some biryani oil. It's like basically clove oil. If you put few drops, it will give you extra fragrant biryani. I used it in the when I was cooking the mince. I dropped a few 3 drops in it, and that was more than enough. This is black pepper. Just top it with some black pepper because this is very mild. This biryani is not hot mouth burning biryani. This is very mild. बहुत हल्के मसालों वाली बनाई है. Squeeze a lemon over it, half a lemon. Let me pick the pits out. There you go. Some green dhania. Cilantro will do good. So some fresh cilantro. Again, push it down because we want the layers to be tight, firmly packed. Okay, and this is going to keep all the steams in. Just, a little extra pressure on it. It's optional. It's done. Ready. Let me turn that upside down. It's kind of hot. Alrighty. And let's see what's inside. Bismillah. Bismillah. Nice, mashallah. अच्छा लग रहा है ना? Looks good. That's good. That is not your traditional lumpy, lengthy, complicated biryani. This is my simple, mild, halki spices wali. aloo keema ki biryani. And you have the fried onions right there. You have the keema. You see the potatoes. The rice is nice. Bismillah. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like my cooking, give me thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. It's very easy to subscribe when you go on the YouTube. If you're watching it on YouTube, you just see subscribe underneath. You just touch that and you are subscribed. Also give me thumbs up where you see a little thumb जहाँ पे अंगूठा बना हुआ है उसको भी टच कर दें और जहाँ सब्सक्राइब लिखा है उसको भी टच कर दें तो मेरा भी भला हो जाएगा. Thank you. Jazakallah. And biryani is ready. Aloo keema ki biryani is simple, it's yummy, it's delicious, and it's not extra hot. And you can just make it fast.